Hey guys, welcome to my channel, The Chubby Chick. This is Poonam. So today's special recipe is butter chicken, and it is totally restaurant style, but a little bit healthier than that. And trust me guys, this is an amazing recipe. You should definitely try it. So without any further ado, let's get cooking. So firstly, I'll begin with marinating some chicken over here. If you're a vegetarian, you can opt for paneer. I'm gonna take 100 grams of curd, ginger, garlic, and green chili paste, some spices, turmeric, red chili powder, coriander powder, and Kashmiri chili, garam masala, 1 teaspoon of olive oil, half a lemon squeezed, and some salt. So mix that really well. I'm gonna add about 500 to 600 grams of boneless chicken thigh and breast. So I've just cut them into small pieces over here. Add them to the marination, mix this well, and keep it aside for at least 3 to 4 hours. So let's start with the gravy. I've taken about 2 tablespoons of ghee over here. If you want, you can take butter. Adding 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds, some asafoetida, or as you call it, hing. Adding 15 to 16 pods of garlic, saute it for 1 or 2 minutes, and then add 2 roughly chopped onions. So we don't have to brown the onions, we just have to make sure that it is soft. Add some cashews, 10 to 12 roughly chopped tomatoes. We require more tomatoes over here. Now I'm adding some salt, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili. This is just for the color. 2 pods of cardamom, some turmeric, and 2 chopped green chilies. This depends on how much spicy you like it. Now cover this and cook for at least 15 to 20 minutes until the tomatoes are soft. So after 15 to 20 minutes, you can see the tomatoes have softened. So now I'm just gonna add some water to it, bring it to a boil, and then keep it aside to cool down a little, and then grind it to a smooth fine paste. So till that time, I'm just gonna grill the chicken which I had marinated and kept it aside for 3 or 4 hours. So you just have to make sure you grill them for about 3 to 4 minutes on each side on medium to high flame. So now flip it to the other side and then again grill them for 3 or 4 minutes. If you're a vegetarian and if you're using paneer, grill it for 4 or 5 minutes. It won't take much longer for paneer to cook. So the chicken looks pretty much done now. You can flip it over here again and see if it has a nice golden brown color. Keep that aside. Now coming on to the gravy, I've blended the gravy well and I've added it to the pan. Let it cook for like 10 minutes and then add about 2 tablespoons of fresh cream into it. Now this is totally optional guys. You can make this without the fresh cream. That is totally fine. So here I'm making this for 5 people and I've added only 2 tablespoons of fresh cream. So cook it for another 10 to 15 minutes until you're happy with the consistency of the gravy, and then add the chicken into it. Mix that well, and also I'm adding some kasuri methi over here to give it a nice flavor and aroma. So the butter chicken is ready guys. I'm just gonna give a final touch to this, which is completely optional, but it will take this butter chicken to the next level and will make it taste like a restaurant. I'm just gonna place a small katori, add the burnt coal and a teaspoon of ghee and cover this for at least 10 to 15 minutes, and you'll have a nice smoky flavor to your butter chicken. So that's it guys. It is super yummy and you can serve this with wheat rotis and enjoy it. Let me know in the comments below what you think about this recipe. Also check out other healthy recipes on my channel. Don't forget to tag me on Instagram if you make these. Like, share and subscribe to my channel, The Chubby Chick. Till then, keep smiling, stay safe, stay healthy.